Okay, good morning everyone. Or should I say, good day everyone. Kung anong oras yung mga pinapanood itong video nito. So this is the part 2 of our discussion ng plane geometry. So we're done discussing polygon, triangle, parallelogram, circle, and also yung inscribe and circumscribing. Okay, so proceed na tayo agad dun sa example number 1 natin. Okay, so here we have a rectangular garden, or should I say, rectangular garden lot containing 240 square feet. If its length is to be 3 times its width, what should be the dimension of the land? So let's say meron tayo ditong, ayan, rectangular garden. So let's say yung width natin is W. Sabi dyan, sa problem, the length is to be 3 times its width. So, therefore, length is equal to 3W. Okay. So, let's write the given. So, here we have area equal to 240 square feet. So, yung area ng ating um, rectangle is length times width, diba? Length times width yan. Okay. So, area is given. This is 450, this is 240 square feet. Length is thrice or 3 times ng ating width. That's the length times width, which is equal to W. So therefore, 240 equal to 3 W squared. So we divide both sides by 3. Ayan. So therefore, W squared is equal to 80. Kunin natin yung square root. W is equal to 4 square root of 5. So yun na ba yung answer natin? Hindi pa, no? Ang tanong kasi, what should be the dimension of the land? So when we say dimension, ibigay mo yung length, yung length and width ng ating rectangular garden. So this is 4 square root of 5 feet. Length is 3 times ng ating width. So multiply natin ng 3 yung ating width. Therefore, this is equal to 12 square root of 5 feet. So this is the answer. We have width and length. If you want to check your answer, multiply niyo 4 square root of 5 times 12 square root of 5. So the correct answer is 240 square feet. So take note of the units. Square feet is area. Tapos yung dimension natin should be in feet. So dapat meron talaga kayong units. Next one, example number 2. So here we have a piece of wire of length 52 meters. This is cut into 2 parts. So sabi dito, this is cut into 2 parts. So ibig sabihin, it doesn't mean naman na equal part. Kapag sinabing equal part, ibig sabihin, divide mo lang ng 2. Pero sabi dito, into 2 parts. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung ratio ng hatian. So each part is then to form a square. It is found that the combined area of 2 squares is 109 square meter. To find the measure of the side of the 2 squares. So dito, hindi naman sinabi na equal or congruent or let's say same dimension ng square. Kasi kung same dimension, madali lang natin makuha yung measurement. So let's say this is a piece of wire that is 52 meters. So yung length nito, this is 52 meters. here, dinivide siya into 2. So, ito yung division niya. Yung itong part na 'to ginawang, square. This is our area 1. This one naman is yung maliit na square. So, this is our area 2. Or square number 1, square number 2. Now, yung square natin, let's say, yung square natin, yung dimension nito is x, 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 x. So, therefore, yung length nung isang part ng ating wire is 4x. Ano ba yung 4x niyan? That's the perimeter of the first square, yung square number 1 natin. Next one, sabihin natin yung side nito is y. So, naglalagay tayo dito ng variables. So, therefore, ito ay 4y. So, that's the perimeter nung second square natin. Now, as you can see, sabi dito, it is found that the combined area of two squares is 109. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, A1, area 1 plus area 2 is equal to 109 square meter. So, we all know that area 1, yung ating first square, this is x squared. Yung area 2 natin, yung second square natin, this is y squared equal to 109 square meter. So, we have equation number 1, no? So, may nakalimutan ata tayong gawin muna. So, if we have two unknown, of course, we need two equation. So, basing dito sa ating length, this is 4x plus 4y equal to 52 meters. Kasi ito yung total length. So, we can reduce this one. As you can see, we can multiply both sides by 4. So, therefore, x plus y equal to 30. Now, this is our second equation. So, if we're going to transfer, let's say, ilipat natin si x, therefore y equal to 13 minus x. So, this one, we can apply this equation, equation to this first equation. So, we have x squared plus y squared equal to 109. Therefore, since y is equal to 13 minus x, is x squared plus 13 minus x squared equal to 109. Squared. So, ang gawin natin, let's find the value of x first. So, expand natin yan. We have 13 squared. This is 169 minus 2 times 13 times negative x. This is negative 26x plus x squared. Okay, pwede natin ipasok si 9. So, minus, si 109. This is negative 109 equal to 0. So, combine like terms, we have 2x squared minus 26x. So, we have 109 minus 169 minus 109. This is equal to positive 60 equal to 0. So, as you can see, we can reduce this one. Divide natin ito ng 2. Therefore, x squared minus 13x plus 30 equal to 0. So, gagawin natin dito, hanapin natin yung factor nito. Positive yan, so therefore, this is negative and negative. So, x minus and x minus. So, yung factor ng 30, okay, as you can see, negative to. So, ibig sabihin, yung malaking factor na yon dapat negative. So, hindi naman pwede yung negative 6 and positive 5 kasi nga 13 to. So, iisipin nyo, we have 15 times 2. Wait lang. Sorry, this should be, okay, tama tayo, negative ito. So dito, pwede yung 15 times 2. Pero as you can see, since negative yan, okay, hindi pwede. Why? Kasi 15, negative 15 minus 2 is 17. So, negative 13 yun kaya hindi pwede. So, kung hindi kayo sure, ang gawin niyo na lang, gamitin niyo yung ating formula. So, you can use x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a. So, dito, we have positive 13 kasi nga negative na yun, plus minus square root of negative 13 squared minus, wait lang, ito pa lang to. Minus negative 4 times a, which is equal to 1 times 13 all over, sorry, this is 2a, 2 times 1. So dito we have 10 and 3. You know, kunyari hindi nyo alam na nandito na kayo. Pero actually, yung factor nito, pwedeng x minus 10 and x minus 3. Ito pala hindi natin check kanina. If check nyo, negative 10, negative 3, this is negative 13. Okay. In case lang na, na ma-mental block kayo. Sabi nyo, alam, wala namang factor to. O do you use the, yung ating formula in finding x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yan yung ating value ni x. So, as you can see, if x equal to 10, y is equal to 3. If if x is equal to 3, therefore, y is equal to 13 minus 3. This is equal to 10. So, ibig sabihin, yung measurement ng dalawang square is 3 meter, yung isang side, and yung isa ay 10 meters. Or pwede rin yung pagbaliktarin. Ibig sabihin, ito na yun. Either yung isa is 3 meters, yung first square natin. Yung second is pwedeng 10 meters yung side. Okay. Next one. So a piece of wire is shaped to enclose an equilateral triangle in which the area is equal to 16 square root of 3 square centimeters. So when we say equilateral triangle, this side, and this sides are equal, right? So let's say this is x. So when we say equilateral triangle, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Sabi dito, yung area niya is equal to 16 square root of 3. So it is then reshaped to enclose a rectangular or rectangle whose length is 9 centimeters. So binigay niyo na dito, no? Ano dapat yun? Length nito. Sabi niya dito, 9 centimeters. So find the area of the rectangle. So in finding the area of rectangles, of course, we need length and width. So, dito unknown yung ating width. So, let's say W mo. Okay, so ano bang gagawin natin para makuha natin? So, ang gawin natin, kunin muna natin yung perimeter. Okay? So, kasi itong material na to, sa pag-enclose niya ng equilateral triangle, is gagamitin para ma-enclose niya din itong buong rectangle na to. So, ang gagawin natin, we need to find the perimeter para alam natin yung total length ng wire na gagamitin natin. So, dito given yung area niya, of course, we need to find x para malaman natin yung perimeter ng equilateral triangle. So this is a equilateral triangle. As you can see, you can find the altitude. So in terms of x, since mayroon tayo yung 60 degrees, or you can use the Heron's formula, pero masyadong mahaba yun. Or better, kung gagamit tayo ng SAS or side angle sine. Mas madali, di ba? So 1/2, okay, yung side natin is given naman. So kahit alin dyan, pare-parehas lang yun, di ba? So x squared sine, of course. Paano ko nalaman ng 60 degrees? Kasi nga equilateral yan, okay? With equilateral, all sides are equal and also all angles are equal. This is equal to 16 square root of 3.
Affecting time of vision.
So, pwede nyo itong i-multiply both side ng 2.
Yung pwede parang
Then, divide nyo ng sine 60.
30 minutes.
So, ito pwede ito makancel. Ito pwede rin ito makancel. Therefore, x squared is equal to, we have 16 square root of 3 times 2 over sine 60. So, this is equal to 64. Ang square root, therefore, x is equal to 8. Now, alam na natin kung ano yung side. Then, anong gagawin natin? Kunin na natin yung perimeter ng ating or yung total length ng ating wire. So, perimeter means sum of all sides. So, x plus x plus x or 3x. Therefore, this is equal to 3 times 8. This is equal to 24. Okay. Now, yung 24 centimeter ito, gagamitin natin para ma-enclose itong rectangle. So, yung perimeter ng rectangle natin, this is, of course, dalawa yung length natin, di ba? Ito and ito. Tapos, dalawa din yung ating width. So, length times 2. So, length times 2 yan. Plus, width times 2. So, itong perimeter dito, this is equal to 24. This is 18 plus 2w equal to 24. Kung nilipat natin yung 18 doon, magiging 24 minus 18. This is equal to 6. Divide both side by 2. Therefore, w is equal to 3. So, alam na natin na 3 ito. So, we can get the area of the rectangle. So, the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. Length natin is 9 centimeter times width natin, which is 3 centimeter. So, therefore, the area is equal to 27 square centimeter. So, this is our answer. You can pause this video kung medyo naguluhan kayo. You can pause this video. Okay, next one. So, a diagonal of an isosceles trapezoid. So, when we say isosceles, two sides are equal. So, trapezoid to. So, therefore, this side and this side are equal. So, yung diagonal daw niya of an equilateral trapezoid measures 20 inches. and makes an angle of 30 degrees. So kahit alin dyan, no? Pwedeng ito or ito, parehas lang yan kasi nga equilateral or I should say, isosceles trapezoid naman siya. So ibig sabihin, pwedeng ito. So this one, this is 20 inches. So, kung babalitarin niyo naman 'to, parehas lang ng magiging itsura. Okay? So 20 inches yan, it makes 30 degrees dun daw sa side natin. Okay? So dito, if one congruent side measures 15 inches, find the area of the trapezoid. So ano ulit yung area natin? Yung formula ng area natin? Of course, we need base 1, we need base 2, and of course, we need the height. Okay? Sabi niya lang dito, if one of the congruent side measures 15 inches, what is the area of the trapezoid? So yung congruent side na sinasabi niya is itong slant side ng ating trapezoid. Ayun. So as you can see, let's say this is A, B, C, and D. If we're going to consider yung triangle ADB natin, so ganyan siya. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. This is 15, this is 20. So, ang gawin natin, pwede nating hanapin yung angle opposite to B2. Kasi yun yung goal natin, di ba? Hanapin natin yung B2. Okay, paano natin hahanapin yan? O, using sine law. Ano yung length na to? Okay. So, we need to find this angle muna. And to find this angle, di naman madali kasi nga if we're going to use sine law, dapat given yung isa sa kanila. Either yung opposite side or opposite angle. Di ba? Hindi naman given. So, ang gawin natin, hanapin natin itong angle B muna natin. So, this is D, this is A. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung angle B natin. Paano? O, using sine law. So, this one, this is 20 over sine B equal to 15 over sine 30 degrees, which is equal to B2 or base 2 sine B. As you can see, we can get sine B. Paano? Paano natin nahanapin yung sine B? O, cross multiply mo lang, di ba? So, sine B, this is equal to 20 sine 30 degrees over 15. Ayan, may sine B ka na. So, B is equal to inverse ng ating, sine inverse or arc sine ng ating 20 sine 30 degrees over 15. Ay, pwede nyo i-input yung sa calculator. So, shift sine, 20 sine 30 degrees over 15. Therefore, this is equal to 41.81 degrees. So, ito pala, itong angle na to, this is 41.81 degrees. Now, to find, sorry, mali tayo ng pagkalagay. Yung sine B natin is this one. This one is 41.18 degrees. So, kailangan natin ng angle na to, no? Paano natin hanapin yun? Siyempre, i-minus na lang natin. So, let's say this is angle D. So, D is equal to 180 degrees minus 41.81 degrees minus 30 degrees. So, bakit ba natin ginamit yung 180? Kasi nga, the sum of interior angle of triangle is 180. Therefore, angle D natin is 108.19. So this one, this is 108.19. So meron na tayong angle din, no? As you can see, pwede na rin natin hanapin yung B2. We have 15 over sine 30 degrees equal to B2 over sine D, which is equal to 108.19 degrees. So this is B2. This is not B squared. Okay. So pwede nyo i-cross multiply para mahanap nyo yung B2 natin. So 108 over sine 30. So this is equal to 15 sine 30 degrees over sine 30. I know. 15 times sine 108.19 over sine 30. 28.5 inches. So meron na tayong B2 which is equal to 28.50 inches. Ano pang kulang natin? So we need the height, no, and B1. So compute natin yung height. But since this is 15, sabihin natin this is x, kailangan natin to. Or tawagin natin siyang x, kailangan din kasi natin yan. To find B1. This one is x. So kung x to, mag-drawing tayo dito ng height. This is also x. So this is height, this is x, this is 41.81 degrees. So paano na natin hahanapin yung x? X is equal to 15 cosine 41.81. Diba? Cosine is equal to x, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse. So cross multiply ko lang. And then y is equal to 15 sine 41.81 degrees. So therefore, this is 11.18. This one naman, yung y natin, or yung h natin, I should say. This is 10. So meron na tayong h, meron na tayong x. So paano natin hahanapin yung B1 natin? So remember that B2 is equal to B1 plus dalawang x. So paano ba yun? Kasi from here to here, from C to D is B1. So ito yung katapat niya, di ba? Itong point na to, this is B1. This is x and this is x. So ano ba yung kabuuan nito from A to B? This is 28.5. So 28.5 equal to B1 plus dalawang x. So this is 11.80. Therefore, B1 natin is equal to 6.14. So, double check nyo na ng yung solution natin. So, check natin. Baka may kamali tayo. So, 20 to 15, 30 to. So, opposite yun to 15, 20, So, sin B natin is 41.81 degrees. So, this is 108.19. So, dito, B2, okay naman. So, therefore, B1 natin, this is 6.14 inches. So, as you can see, masyado na magulo yung drawing natin. B1 is equal to 6.14 inches. B2 natin, this is equal to 28.50 inches. Height natin, which is yung kaninang x, this is 10 inches. So, yun yung given natin. So, therefore, area of trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. Base 1 natin, 6.14 plus 28.5 times 10. So, kung yung input natin yan, this is 16.14 plus 28.5 times 10 times 1. This is equal to 173.2 square inches. This is our answer. Next one. Okay. So the perimeter of isosceles trapezoid is 62 centimeter. If three sides are equal in length and the fourth side is 10 centimeter longer, find the area of the trapezoid. So as you can see, asan ba dyan yung longer side? Hindi syempre itong base 2 natin, itong nasa babang base natin. So sabi dito, the three sides are equal. So ibig sabihin yan, this is x, and this is also x. So, yung south side natin, yung fourth side natin is yung pinakamalaki. Kasi 10 centimeter longer na. So x plus 10. So, given yung perimeter natin, which is 62 centimeter. Sabi natin, perimeter is all sides, sum of all sides. So, x plus x plus x plus 10x. As x plus 10. So, 62 equal to 4x plus 10. Nalipat natin yan sa kabila, 4x equal to 52 minus 10. 62 minus 10 is equal to 52. So, divide both sides by 4, x is equal to 13. Ang hinahanap dyan is yung area ng ating trapezoid. Okay? So, this is 13. This is 13. This is equal to 13. Okay, so we need to find the height. Kulang tayo ng height. So, nakalimutan natin ito i-add. 13 plus 10, this is equal to 23. Okay. So, we need the height. Paano natin kukunin yung height? Di ba nga, B2, or yung nasa babang base natin, is equal to, okay, yung side natin dito, tawagin natin itong A kasi meron na tayong X. So, dalawang A plus B1 natin, which is equal to 30. So, B2 natin, this is 23. 2A plus 13. Okay? So, lipat natin, if we're going to transpose this one, this is equal to 10. So, 2A is equal to 10, therefore A is equal to 5. Okay. So, meron na tayong 5 dito. A. So, as you can see, right triangle yan, di ba? So, A natin is 5. Okay, hypothesis natin is 13. So, this is our height, and to find height, you can use the Pythagorean theorem, 13 squared equal to h squared plus 5 squared. So, transpose natin, h squared is equal to 13 squared minus 5 squared. So, kung yung square root both side, therefore h is equal to This is equal to 12 centimeter. So, since meron tayong base 1 and base 2 tsaka height, pwede natin kunin yung area ng trapezoid natin. This is 1/2 base 1, which is 13, base 2, 23 times height na. Therefore, area is equal to 216 square centimeter. Okay? Matandaan niyo to ha, kapag trapezoid yung given, yung relationship ng B1 at B2 natin. Kapag to, isosceles trapezoid, equal itong side na to at itong side na to. Equal. Pero kapag hindi siya isosceles trapezoid, let's say, yung angle na to is iba dun sa angle na to. So therefore, magkaiba na tong dalawang to. Hindi na siya A, hindi na siya. Let's say this is A1, this is A2. So magkaiba yun ha. Basta kapag isosceles trapezoid, equal. Okay? Next one. So if you double the length of the side of square, by how much do you increase the area? Let's say the original, no? Kung hindi nyo pa siya ini-increase, let's say, yung side yung tinutukoy mo dito. This is X. And this is X. No? If we're going to get the area ng original, let's say, A sub O, this is equal to X squared. Now, if we're going to double the length of the side of triangle, this is 2x na. Kasi nga, dinoble natin. So therefore, area is now equal to 2x quantity squared. Therefore, this is equal to 4x squared. So if you're going to get the ratio, this is ratio. So if we're going to get ratio ng ating in-increase versus dun sa original length natin, this is 4x squared over 4. Over x squared, I should say. So cancel. Therefore, this is equal to 4. Ang ibig sabihin yan, kapag dinoble natin yung side ng square natin, yung area niya mag-i-increase ng 4 times. Okay? So next one. If you triple the length of the diagonal of square, by how much do you increase the area of that square? So let's say this is the diagonal. Let's say this is X. Okay? So remember, this is a right triangle, no? Pero not just like right triangle, this is isosceles right triangle. Why isosceles? Kasi nga, this side and this side are equal. So this is 90 degrees. This side and this sides are equal. So remember this length, this angle and this angle are equal. Kasi nga isosceles. So if we're going to get the sum of interior angle, this is 180. This side and this side, yung sum nito, this is equal to 90. So since equal yan, this is 45 and this is equal to 45 degrees. Ganun kapag isosceles right triangle. Okay? So let's find this side. Let's say yung side nito, this is A. So paano natin hahanapin yung kanyang side? So pwede nyo applyan din pala ito ng ating trigo, or pwede nyo rin applyan ng Pythagorean theorem. So hypotenuse natin, x squared equal to a squared plus a squared, since this side are equal. Okay. So kunin natin itong side na to para makuha natin yung area. So this is 2a squared equal to x squared. So divide both sides by 2. Therefore a squared is equal to x squared over 2. Kunin natin yung square root. A is equal to, okay, so lalabas na yung x dyan. So square root ng 1/2, this is equal to square root 2 over 2. Okay, so let's get the area original. This is equal to a squared or equal to x squared of 2 over 2. Therefore, yung original area natin, this is equal to 1/2 x squared. So kapag trinipol naman natin yung length ng diagonal ng square, this is 3x. So ganun din, no? This is a and this is a. So this is 3x squared, 3x quantity squared. This is a squared, this is a squared. Okay. This one, this is 9x squared equal to 2a squared. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, a squared equal to 9x squared over 2. So kunin natin yung square root. Therefore, a is equal to this is 3x squared over 2. So kunin natin yung area dito. So square lang natin yan. Pwede lang kayo, parang bumabalik lang tayo dito. Kapag in-square nyo yan, this is equal to 9x squared over 2. So kunin natin yung ratio niyan. Kunin natin yung ratio. This is 9x squared over 2 over 1 over 2 x squared. So cancel yung x squared natin dyan. Dito yun lang. 9 over 2 divided by 1. Therefore, yung ratio niyan is 3. So ibig sabihin, kapag in-increase nyo 3 times itong length niya ng ating diagonal, 3 times, so in-increase din natin yung area natin ng 9 times. So ganun yung ibig sabihin. So pwede yung i-screenshot. The next one, ayan na tayo. So circle na tayo. The circle has a radius of 9 cm. What is the length of arc AB? So tinatanong yung length ng arc AB. This one, this one. So paano kaya? So, maglagay tayo ng center. Let's say, nasa point O. So paano kaya natin hahanapin yung arc na yan? So kung arc yan, of course, if we're going to connect this point up to this point, this is our radius, right? So ganun din dito. So para makuha natin yung arc na yan, kailangan natin makuha yung central angle nito. This is theta. Paano kaya? If you still remember yung ating theorem number 1, okay? As you can see, yung chord AC natin or yung side ng triangle natin, AC and chord or side ng triangle BC natin is just the chords, no? So this one, yung arc nito sa circle is AB. Yung dalawang chord na to, AC and BC, yung arc niya is yung AB. So if you're going to take a look at this one, yung arc ng ating dalawang radius na to is AB din. So anong gagawin natin? Remember yung theorem natin, kung ano yung angle na to, doble nito. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin hanapin yung C. Yung angle AOB natin is doble yung angle measured from ACB natin. So, ibig sabihin, AOB is equal to twice ng ating ACB. So, hanapin muna natin yung ACB. Since given naman na yung angle A and angle B, we need to find this one. yung angle C natin. The angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 60 degrees. So this one, this is 50 degrees. Now, if you're going to input that in your calculator. So therefore, this is 2 times 50 degrees. Ibig sabihin, theta natin, or yung angle A and B natin, this is equal to 100 degrees. Now that we have the theta, we can now solve S. So S is equal to R theta. Pero dapat radians to. Ibig sabihin, ko-convert pa natin. So 9 centimeter times 100 degrees. Okay, convert natin yan. 5 times 180 degrees. Input natin sa calculator. Therefore, check on therefore, this is equal to 5 pi centimeter. Not centimeter squared kasi nga length of the arc lang to. So, centimeter. Yun yung answer natin. Okay. Next one, proceed na tayo sa example number 9 natin. So sabi dito, find the area of the shaded portion of the same semicircle shown in the figure, which is outside of the inscribed. Okay. So this one, yung blue na shade natin. Okay, ano kaya yung area niya? So to find that area, of course, area is equal to area ng semi-perimeter natin minus area ng triangle. Pero tingnan natin kung anong klaseng triangle ito. Okay? So remember in our theorem, kapag yung triangle natin is that yung isang side or yung ating hypotenuse ng ating triangle is nakalay dun sa triangle natin. Ito na yung ating should I say, kapag yung length or isang side ng ating triangle is yung diameter, ibig sabihin right triangle yan. So therefore, kasi di ba yung explanation natin sa central angle, this is 180 degrees divided by 2, this is 90. So this one is 90 degrees. Ibig sabihin, right triangle yung bubuo natin. So kung ayusin natin yung right triangle natin, so this is the diameter of the circle, this is 10, and this is 16. So to find the area or um, the radius, hanapin muna natin yung diameter. So diameter squared is equal to 16 squared plus 10 squared. Then to find d, kunin natin yung square root. D is equal to square root ng 16 squared plus 10 squared. This is equal to 2 square root of 9. Okay? So remember that d is equal to 2r. Ibig sabihin, able to find r, divide nyo lang ito ng 2. So therefore, this is equal to 2 square root of 89 divided by 2. R, or radius, is equal to the square root of 89. Okay? So yun na yung ating radius. Pwede na nating hanapin yung area ng ating semicircle. So area ng ating semicircle, this is pi over 2 r squared minus 1/2 base times. Sir, paano po naging over 2 yun? Hindi po ba pi r squared? Kasi nga semicircle to, di ba? So, hinati natin sa dalawa. So, kaya nga divided by 2. Okay? So, this is pi over 2 square root of 89 squared minus 1/2. Dito, ang base natin is 10. Height natin is 16. So, input natin sa calculator natin. So, this is equal to 59.80 Okay, this is square units. Ito yung answer natin. Okay, copy mo na. Next one, we have the area of the circle, which is equal to 49 pi. And we're going to get the length of the side of the regular tetragon. Sorry, hexagon. So, turo ko na to. Yes. Remember, this is the radius of the circle. Kunin natin yung central angle natin. So, yung pag-compute ng central angle natin dito, this is 360 degrees divided by number of sides. So, since this is hexagon, n is equal to 6. So, this is 6. So, therefore, this is equal to 60 degrees. So, theta natin, actually, central angle natin dito, this is 60 degrees. Of course, we need to find r, no? Para makuha natin itong side na to. Say S. Hanapin natin yung radius natin using the area of the circle. Area equal to 49 pi. So area of the circle is pi r squared equal to 49 pi. Divide both sides by pi. R squared is equal to 49. Kunin yung square root, therefore r is equal to 7. So this one is 7, this one is equal to 7. So to find S can apply like basic trigo or cosine law. Okay lang. Okay? So 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7 cosine 60 degrees. So S is equal to square root na lang yun. 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7 squared cosine 60 degrees. The answer is 7. So yun yung length, 7 inches. Yun yung length ng ating or side ng ating regular hexagon. Actually, kahit hindi nyo na gawin yung cosine law, di ba? Why? Kasi nga, 60 degrees to, itong side na to at this side are equal. So, ibig sabihin, this angle and this angle are equal. So, yung sum nito, this is 120 divided by 2, 60 degrees din to. So, on a form natin, kapag regular hexagon is 6 na equilateral triangle. So, ibig sabihin kung ano yung radius niya, yun na rin yung side natin. Okay? So, that ends our lecture. So, I hope may natutunan kayo for our quiz number 1 and quiz number 2 next week. So, pointers lang natin. Quiz number 1 natin is polygons, triangle, and quadrilateral. For part 2 is circle and inscribe and circumscribe. So, yun yung ating coverage. So, thank you for listening.